We have several stories from our business desk. U.S. markets move lower after a report on capital gains tax increase. Plus, today's earnings recap. Let's take a look.
Good evening. U.S. markets have closed. Here are your latest business headlines. Markets moved sharply lower this afternoon after a report from Bloomberg that President Biden is planning to announce a much higher than expected capital gains tax increase. The report expects the president to announce a 39.6% capital gains tax rate, which was touted by the president during his campaign. However, this is in addition to an existing tax on investment income that would bring the total federal tax rate for wealthy investors to 43.4%, which is nearly double the current federal tax rate. The capital gains tax is a tax on returns over $1 million by individuals and corporations when they sell their investment assets that have been held for more than a year. The president's goal of raising taxes on the wealthy is to fund his American Family Plan that he looks to announce next week, which will expand family and child care services, as well as improvements to the country's infrastructure and clean energy initiatives. No official comment has been released by the president regarding the Bloomberg report, but the president's press secretary did note that the tax rate is still being finalized. Turning to a quick earnings recap for today, AT&T reported higher than expected earnings based on a healthy growth of its wireless and fiber optic internet customer bases, as well as an increase in HBO subscription revenue from its Warner Media division. Chip manufacturer Intel also reported higher than expected net income and plans by their new CEO to expand production capabilities to take advantage of the chip shortage caused by the pandemic. Meanwhile, the Labor Department reported that the number of Americans applying for unemployment aid fell last week to 547,000, the lowest point since the beginning of the pandemic and a sign of continued economic strength. All major U.S. indices closed in the red following the Bloomberg report on the capital gains tax. Reporting from New York, Bobby Soriano, Eagle News. We live in interesting times.